best friends. Okay, you seen this intro, so you see how silky this hair is. All right, now this is an Amazon bust down, but because this is a thicker wig with HD lace, this is on the more expensive side of Amazon. I'm just gonna let you know that right now. But let's get into the specs. Okay, so this is one of those easy to wear wigs. As you can see, the lace is already cut, it's already pre-plucked, but it is not bleached, so we are going to bleach this lace. All right, you do have combs and adjustable straps, so this could be completely glueless for you. But on this video today, we're going to use some hair adhesive spray because I kept my wig on for some time. All right, so we're going to go ahead and go get into the bleach. Of course, I'm gonna use quick blue and some 30 volume developer. I'm gonna mix it in to get the consistency that I normally like, and that's more like a pancake battery consistency. And I'm gonna spread that all over the lace. Okay, you want to make sure you don't get it on the hair. And then once it process, I do let it process for about 25 minutes. I wash the wig, deep condition the wig, and tone the knots with purple shampoo. You use whatever it is that you want to, but Cynthia over here likes silicone mix to condition, and like Garnier Fructis or Aussie Moist to condition, to wash the hair. Okay, so this is what she looks like after I flat ironed her. I gave her a side part bust down, and I gave her some little baby hairs. But do you see how that hair is pre-plucked? It is so nice. Like, I love when they pre-pluck it for you really, really well, to the point where you have to do no work. I just added some baby hairs to this thing, so let's just hurry up and put her on. So yes, here she is, and I'm just gonna go ahead and toss Batty on. And so I pinned out the baby hairs out of the way so I won't get any of the spray on them. So I'm gonna use my Kiss spray. I'm gonna spray a little bit in the hairline area. Now my stocking cap is trifling, but we're gonna ignore that. Okay, I'm gonna blow dry it until it gets tacky, and then I'm gonna lay the lace down and blow dry it until it's completely dry. So now that the lace is down, we're going to go ahead and lay the baby hairs. I'm going to use some spritz, one of my favorite products to use. It doesn't leave the baby hairs crunchy, and it doesn't leave a whole bunch of residue on the baby hairs. Like, sometimes the baby hairs just be too stiff, and I just don't like that. But when the spritz wears off, it gives fluff, it gives fluffiness, and I love that. I love that for me. Y'all see that press and comb? You know what the press and comb mean. We about to get the hairline together and flat because this is a side part bust down, and we want to make sure our hair is busting down. You feel me? So that side part has to hit. It's gonna have to be flat. I'm just making sure that press and comb is doing what it has to do. And this lace looks amazing, but we're gonna darken it a little bit, just a tad bit. I'm gonna take Ruby Kisses in a shade 16, and I'm gonna put that all over the front of the hairline. But I'm using a smaller brush because I do not want to get the makeup all over the hair. Okay, so as you can see, just a little touch up, and it's looking amazing. So how do you guys feel about these pre-cut, pre-plucked wigs? Let me know down below in the comment section. If you are interested, I will have the link to this down below in the description box for you. Prime Day is coming. You might get this wig on sale. Put it in your cart. Bye, you guys.